Good morning, and thank you for tuning into your daily operations weather brief for Tuesday, July 17th. We're going to see a partly cloudy day today, and then with clouds increasing as we go into this afternoon. And then after about 6 p.m. tonight, we are going to be quickly seeing shower and thunderstorm chances increasing, with thunderstorms becoming likely between about 8 p.m. and 11 p.m. this evening across the Wallops area. Taking a look at our surface analysis, we do have some mostly sunny skies out there right now, but as you can see on this map, we have that cold front which will be approaching from the west with a shortwave ahead of it, so we might get 2 brief rounds of showers and thunderstorms tonight. Right now it looks like the best chance for storms to develop will be after 6 p.m. I'm not seeing too much indication of any pop-up storms ahead of that, so we are going to be carrying a dry day for much of the workday. And then at 6 p.m., that's when we'll see a good chance of showers and thunderstorms moving through, with heavy rain looking likely with this frontal passage. Taking a look at our observation loop across the area and our satellite loop as well, you can see some showers and storms starting to fire off over the Appalachian Mountains there on this map. Here closer to home, we are seeing another warm and humid day across the region. Temperature is already exceeding 80 degrees as of 8 a.m. here at Wallops and across the region with that southerly flow. We'll continue to see that southerly flow throughout the day, ushering in some warmer temperatures and continued moisture. So it is going to be a warm and muggy day out there as we go throughout the rest of the morning and into the afternoon. Taking a look at a model loop here to show the rain coming in. As you can see, this is through about noon here. Still going to be dry. We're running about 2 p.m. We'll start to see some showers west of the bay developing around 2 p.m., but they'll be slow to make their way over. They'll just be the pop-up variety. And then we will be getting the main batch of rain approaching the Chesapeake around 4 p.m. And then starting around 6 p.m., that's when we're going to start to see that line of storms impact the Delmarva and approach the Wallops area, with the best chance of storms being around 8 p.m. and then persisting as late as midnight tonight. So as of 8 a.m., we were seeing just a few clouds offshore around 15,000 feet, and then a few cirrus clouds 25,000 feet. So we are seeing some mostly sunny conditions out there this morning. Winds were from azimuth 210 at 6 knots with a temperature of 81 degrees. Taking a look at our weather chart for today, we are going to be mainly in the green for weather hazards for much of the workday today. The main threat will be seeing those heat indexes near 100 degrees or perhaps 1 or 2 degrees over that as we go towards the late morning hours and into this afternoon. And it is going to be rather humid out there with those dew points between around 75 to 78 degrees and those temperatures approaching 90. We will see southwesterly winds pick up throughout the day, becoming 8 to 13 knots and gusty by the late morning hours. And then as we go into the mid-afternoon hours, those will increase to around 11 to 16 knots, gusting to 22. I do think that we'll see those winds remain just below wind advisory criteria, with the best chance of seeing gusts above 25 knots will be when we get impacted by those showers and thunderstorms later today. We will see clouds increase this afternoon with that front approaching, with showers and thunderstorm chances increasing quickly after 6 p.m. and then persisting through about midnight. We're going to see that high of 90 today, like I mentioned before. And then after midnight, we'll see those clouds slowly decrease throughout the night with a low of 75 for Wednesday morning. We'll also see those winds shift westerly after midnight and then northwesterly at 7 to 12 knots by mid-morning Wednesday. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to be seeing just what we have been seeing this morning for the rest of the morning hours. Then at noon, we'll start to see some cumulus clouds, just a few pop up across the area around 4,000 feet. And then we'll continue to see those clouds near 12,000 feet with some cirrus clouds through the rest of the afternoon. And then as we go towards 6 p.m., when those shower chances begin, we will start to see clouds increase with several levels, with ceilings possibly lowering down to 3,000 to 4,000 feet in showers, and then around 2,000 feet possible in thunderstorms as we go throughout tonight. And then as we go towards the overnight hours into Wednesday morning, we will be seeing a few lower level clouds early on around 1,000 feet, and then some lingering clouds near 3,000 feet. And then by sunrise tomorrow morning, we'll be seeing a few at 1,000, few at 3,000, then still seeing some thin broken cirrus clouds. And we are seeing tides out there normal. For tomorrow, it is going to be a nice day as behind this cold front that's giving us those showers and thunderstorms. We're going to be having high pressure building into the area, so we're going to be seeing some partly to perhaps mostly cloudy skies tomorrow with some lingering low moisture with a high of 87. Wednesday night, it's going to be partly cloudy and much more pleasant with a low of 66 as we'll have dry air slowly streaming into the area through the rest of the work week here. And Thursday, with that high pressure starting to really take hold and that drier northwesterly flow, it's going to be very comfortable out there with much less humidity under mostly sunny skies with a very pleasant high of 84. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing and extended outlook. Have a great day.